Hello guys! Welcome back to my channel. So for today's vlog, ituturo ko sa inyo kung paano gagawa ng thumbnail sa inyong video sa YouTube channel guys. So, ayan. Yung napaka-easy lang guys. Yung wala masyadong arte. Kasi sa akin, hindi ako magaling mag-edit talaga. So, sobrang simple lang. So, nandyan lang. Basta simpleng-simple lang siya, guys. Nasa sa inyo kung paartihan nyo yung thumbnail nyo or hindi. Nasa sa inyo, guys. So, sa akin, masyadong simple lang. Kasi hindi nga ako magaling, guys. So, ayan. Tara, panoorin natin ang ating paggawa ng thumbnail sa ating videos. Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video is I'm gonna teach you how to create my thumbnail on my videos on my YouTube channel guys. So first you have to download thumbnail maker apps from your Play Store apps guys. You just search the thumbnail maker, then you can choose from there. After you download it, you make your thumbnail. But for me, I'm gonna use this creative thumbnail maker. It's very easy guys, so I'll teach you how. So I'll just press this thumbnail maker and then press the create thumbnail and then press the thumbnail and then choose the background you like. You can choose as many as you can background from here. So choose this, just example guys, I choose this one and then check. After that, press the image, press the photos, press the download, and then press the picture you want like that, and then make it bigger, make it a bigger size. And then add a text. So I put here is how to create a thumbnail on my videos. Then it's up to you guys. So this one is just an example. So press the add. So it's already here. So you can choose what type of text, what kind of text design, so just press the fonts. So you choose from here, example this one or this one. Too big or this one also can. It's almost this, it's this same one. So take this one like that. Then choose the color you like. Okay, it's too bright. It's too bright guys, so let's choose example just color white and then put the shadow of the letter. Let's example yellow, not nice, green or black. Is much better black guys na. So just like that, how to create a thumbnail on my videos. So just like that, and then you can put the sticker and then press this one. So just like that, guys, and then or make it smaller also can, like that. You can add some effect if you want. What kind of effect you like that, like this. So you can choose, guys, what you like. So just example this one. So then after that you just save it, and then press the X if my add like that. Then so that's all, guys. Your thumbnail is already saved, and then you just go out from here, exit, just leave it, exit, and then let's check the thumbnail we did just now. So this is the thumbnail, the first I make, and the second one is this one. So which one you like the most, guys? So that's all, guys. I hope you like this. If you did, then you press the like, subscribe, and comment down below. If you want anything, ask me anything, guys, just comment down below, or you just PM me on my Facebook page, LVC's Cuisine channel, guys. See you there. Thank you so much.